Yeah, hi, afternoon, good evening, folks. Quick video. Uh, I want to do before we wrap up the New York session. I want to do some CAD trades. A EURCAD short is preferable. Our dollar has come up here. We are seeing a potential sideways move here, maybe pullback, small, and that will allow the CAD to make its attempt at following the dollar. I don't know if we're a little early on the CAD. We might be jumping the gun just a little bit, but that's all right. We like to do things like that. We know that euro is definitely due for a rather large drop, so I do not want to miss that. I do not want to miss that. We also know that pound is due for a rather large drop. And also we know that Aussie's had its drop as expected and stays weak, while New Zealand still has to follow. So that would be a New Zealand CAD short and a Euro CAD short and a pound CAD short, which are setting us up right now. I think we're going to do that. And we're going to get in right before the spread gets expensive. That way we can freak out a little bit more during the Asian gap there. All right, so we've got the pullback we're looking for, but this is the part where we're in the middle, right? This is the part where you don't want to give all your money away. So we know our target on the overall dollar. We mustn't forget that. We still have a very, very, very strong belief that Swiss will fall, even though dollar will go up. And that's acceptable. That's okay. If euro comes down, Swiss can go along with euro for a bit. And then what are we seeing here? We're seeing LFX is basically running on air. All right, so EURCAD. Oh, hang on, let's move this back. Just try to get this set up better. And we've got this many positions left. I took off the New Zealand one, and now we've got this many left. So we're looking good today. We're at about, I don't know, this much in floating. So I'm happy to give it all back, I think. Let's do that, and we'll start to load up on the EURCAD then, and maybe the pound CAD. Now, what everyone's going to want to do is they're going to want to put their market profile tool on here. They're going to want to find out where balance is or value, but we don't need to do that because it's simply there, average roughly. So on the euro index, we'd basically, if we were looking to sell euro index, let's do that actually. We'll put that up at the same time. Oh, I've kind of got a bunch of garbage on there. Let's do it on a clean chart then. Let's not get too trapped in this illusion right now. is all meaningless. Here it is. That's the area. The 50% would be balance would be there, but really there was more trading done there, so I would go with balances there. We are close in the euro index, so this would be one of the occasions where people would just say it's sold below value, and they would just be okay with that. They wouldn't ask questions. So while the other ones are selling above TPO and above the VWAP, and they're making excuses for those, they'll make excuses for this, and so this is why we can't be precise. The area of balance is this entire purple box, basically. Yeah, so I'm happy with that. Let's go ahead and load up on Euro Canada then. I'll just enter one of these. It looks like a good price, I think. Probably be a lot of people buying here, so that's good. What's the pound doing? Didn't we discuss New Zealand also? All right, so New Zealand's kind of moved, right? Well, let's go back to that here. Remember that exact point of time, because we have to do everything relative, right? So euro is up. New Zealand's already moved. Pound is beginning to move. So with that in mind, we're gonna do a sell on pound as well. Aussie might have gone a little far, so yeah, you see. Yeah, all right, let's do this then. This is nice. That's all. All right, and then same drill. So if it runs against us, we'll be selling where retail doing breakout buys and all that. We'll be selling there, and then as price pulls back, we'll be exiting those higher level positions, as many as possible, to cover this one in the event it does a runaway move and we're completely wrong. At least this way we would have had something. Maybe we'll have a loss of, say, if we do it really well, we could probably, if it just kept going, maybe we could have a loss of 10-15%, instead of losing the entire account. So that's what we're going to do. Yeah, I think that's it, guys. I will catch you later, and probably try and add some more dollar trades. I don't know, whenever it looks good. But that's it. Cheers, guys.